It's a common misconception that you can't be denied a secured credit card, even if you have the collateral to back up your credit limit. However, the truth is that there are plenty of reasons why you might be denied a secured credit card, even if you have the money to use as collateral. Today, we want to take a look at why you might get denied a secured credit card, how to get approved for a secured credit card, what your credit report has to do with getting approved for a secured credit card, and more. Do you currently have poor credit? Getting approved for a secured credit card can be especially difficult under certain circumstances, including a poor credit score, a number of outstanding loans that you're not making regular payments on, a general lack of credit history, an income that the lender deems too risky. So what do you do if you can't get approved for a secured credit card? Let's take a look at your options. Check your credit report and score. Make sure that there are no errors on your report that could be causing your score to be lower than it should be. If there are errors, you should work towards trying to get these items removed or consider hiring a credit repair company to help you work towards addressing them to potentially improve your credit. Consider getting a cosigner. Finding someone with good credit who's willing to cosign for you will increase your chances of getting approved. Why? Because the signer acts as sort of an insurance for the lender to help them feel confident that they're lending in good faith. Consider a credit union for a secured credit card. Credit unions are often more willing to approve people with bad credit as opposed to banks, and they are more likely to have lower upfront costs. Consider a prepaid credit card. If you can't get approved for a traditional credit card, a prepaid credit card can be a good alternative that will also help you build your credit. You can use it just like a regular credit card, but you're only able to spend the amount of money that you've deposited on the card in advance. This helps ensure that you aren't spending above your means. So how do you apply for a secured credit card? Let's find out. First, you'll need a reliable income and enough money in savings to cover a security deposit. This can be anywhere from $200 to $2,500 or higher. So shoot high in your savings goal for the best results. Second, you'll want to consider asking a family member or friend with good credit if they'll be willing to become a cosigner to help your chances of qualifying. All that's left will be to provide some personal information to your lender of choice, which often includes personal identifying information such as your legal name and age, your current mailing address, your social security number, your current income. As soon as you've been approved, it's time to make a deposit into the account and start spending. The amount you deposit serves as your credit limit, so spend wisely. Interested in learning more about your credit? Lexington Law Firm is available to help. Call today for your free credit report consultation. And be sure to check out the complete credit repair tips playlist in the video description below and leave a comment to let us know what you think. Your feedback helps us make this channel better.